are getting to the point where it's going to be shit or get off the pot with the administration on this TikTok situation, as the national security concerns continue to escalate, and it becomes a political leverage issue for Republicans as well. Again, our basic point today, and we'll see what happens here, but the basic point is that, it has ripple effects on the stocks of social media companies that, Andrew's been talking about, and, speculation from Microsoft or Oracle or Walmart, or who could buy it. And all of that speculation moving things around, of course, is contingent on, can it even happen? And we just lay out in the note today about the legal obstacles that sort of complicated Trump doing this, still complicated for Biden. And that's why, watching that legislation, that Warner-Thune bill that we talked about last week that's going through Congress with the backing of the White House, that's sort of a political backstop to negotiate something with TikTok here, if indeed they want to force the sale. There's political risk for Biden, especially among young voters who just don't see the political threat of, cat videos and teenage dance videos. So, banning it for over 100 million users could become a political backlash issue. They're concerned about forcing a sale can preserve it. And if you can do it, quote unquote, voluntarily, well, then, you don't have the same type of legal complications that a government order mandating it would create. So I think there's a lot of moving parts on this in terms of how to get a solution that has limited political downside and limited legal risk, and therefore can actually be executed. But it's hard to know that they can actually get from point A to point Z on this thing. Shouzi Chu, the CEO of TikTok, is supposed to testify in the House next Thursday. We'll see what kind of insights can be offered on their flexibility to take action here, to engage in a sale. They know that this legislation is moving through Congress, and that, it could make TikTok's legal situation more difficult to sustain if indeed they want to fight this. So, I think we're beginning to move into, the administrations in the Congress is beginning to set up the foundation for some resolution of this to come, in the near term. So we'll see if it's true. Again, these are unnamed sources in the Wall Street Journal, but it certainly makes sense that we should be getting, down to the final chapter in this saga pretty soon.
Hey there, Hedgeye Nation, or if you're not part of Hedgeye Nation, thanks for watching Hedgeye on YouTube. If you haven't already, make sure to click on the button below there. Subscribe to our YouTube page. You can also follow the link in the description to our website to get even more great investing content.